Hi everyone! Welcome to the Touch Notes tutorial. CICOE Assistant is a good helper. You can use it to quickly open some commonly used features, making your study and work more efficient and comfortable. Here are some features. First, you can turn on the eye protection mode to protect your eyes on a daily basis. You can switch to night mode in dark light environments to protect your eyes, reduce visual fatigue, and enjoy night reading with ease. In bright environments, switch to eye protection mode to adjust screen brightness and color temperature to improve reading comfort. Second, whether you copy content on notes or other interfaces, you can copy it to the clipboard. You can also set it as a common phrase. Just press and hold the content to drag it to the note, which is very fast and convenient. Third, the timer has two modes. Whether you are a student preparing for an exam or a worker doing a deadline, using the timer can help you focus on the tasks within the specified time and avoid procrastination. Fourth, the OCR function can capture any interface on the screen or recognize text and copy it to the clipboard. Finally, you can directly open recent notes or create import new ones.